food delivery app. I guess everyone who has been in the major metro cities is now very familiar with this concept of 10-minute delivery. Well, it was made famous by a Mumbai-based startup called Zepto. Zepto was founded by Kaivalya and Adit Palicha. Zepto has almost 86 dark stores operating in 30 different areas and has already done 1 million deliveries. But what makes Zepto deliver the items that the customers have asked within 10 minutes? Well, the secret lies behind the network of cloud apps and micro warehouses, because of which Zepto is able to deliver in 10 minutes. Now, besides the power of these dark stores, Zepto has also leveraged in a product called Locus. This fantastic solution actually tracks the client's or the customer's geographical location, traffic dynamics, and how much time will it take to make the delivery. Locus is an artificial intelligence app which shows all the data about the customer on Zepto dashboard. In fact, it is not just the dark stores or Locus as a product that has worked for Zepto, but there is one more scheme that has worked for them, which is called the PPB scheme. What is this? First P is the picking. All of the Zepto stores are very efficient in quickly completing the process. How? Because every store employee has a tablet. So when a customer places an order, it reaches the central hub, and from this central hub, the order goes to the dark store, where the employees see the order on their tablets and are quick in delivering the process. In fact, the tablet also shows the amount of items that are left on the shelf. The second step is packing. The employees are very quick and efficient in packing the concerned item and swiftly delivering it. And the last step involves the agent exiting the warehouse and quickly delivering the order. But how is Zepto acquiring so many customers? The first thing is that when you log into the Zepto app as the first customer, you get your first order within 7 to 10 minutes. Another enticement that the users get is almost 25 to 30% discount on their orders, which can also range up to 50% along with a free delivery. This almost looks like that they have to burn their cash just once or twice for a new customer, and that customer then stays. And the last distinguishing factor which has worked for Zepto is paying salaries to the agents rather than making their earnings per order. So now we understand that Zepto's entire business model works around dark stores or micro warehouses. These dark stores are not available to the masses, but has a huge inventory of various items that are also displayed on the app. The secret concept of these dark stores is how quickly the agents can find, pack, and swiftly deliver the order within 60 seconds. But when such a thing is launched, there are also additional challenges. One of the biggest challenges of Zepto is its competitors. Well, when we have Blinkit and Instamart also leveraging the power of Q-commerce, Zepto has been unable to attain a lot of customers lately. The second is Zepto is famous for its quick deliveries. But if you do not charge delivery fee and provide the items at low prices, it becomes very difficult to maintain a good cash flow. Well, all in all, I think Zepto has become a huge name amongst the youngsters and even the middle-aged people as well. So if you liked this case study about Zepto, we can bring more case studies around Blinkit and Instamart as well. And if you liked this case study, please do like, subscribe and comment and tell me what more do you need.